Most AI content fails, not because the AI is bad, because the person using it doesn't have a strategy. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact 3-tool writing stack I use, and a 5-step workflow that changes everything. And by the end, you'll understand 4 specific ways to turn that content into money. Let's go. Here's what most people do. They open ChatGPT, type "write me a blog post about AI tools," copy the result, paste it somewhere, and publish it. And it gets 0 views, 0 clicks, 0 money. Here's why. AI can write words. It cannot, by default, write content with a perspective, a voice, or a reason to exist. The internet is drowning in generic AI content right now. You've seen it. You've probably scrolled past it without realizing it. The people winning are the ones who use AI as a tool inside a strategy, not as a replacement for one. That's the only distinction that matters. So let me show you the stack I use. Tool 1, ChatGPT, not for writing, for thinking. I use ChatGPT to find angles, spot counter-arguments, identify questions people are actually searching for, and locate gaps in the existing content around a topic. The prompt I use most is simple. What do most articles about this topic get wrong? That single question gives me a reason to make the content. Tool 2, Notion AI. Once I know what I want to say, Notion AI helps me build a skeleton. Headers, subpoints, logical flow. I don't let it write the content. I let it help me structure the thinking. Tool 3, 11 Labs. This is where content comes alive. 11 Labs is the text-to-speech tool I use to generate the voiceover for videos like this one. The voice quality is studio level. You can clone your own voice or use a voice from their library. If you want to try it, I'll leave my affiliate link in the description below. It's the same tool I use on this channel every week. 11 Labs also has a creator program that pays you when your cloned voice is used by others. I'll cover that in Wednesday's video. Step 1. Find a real question. Use Google, Reddit, or YouTube search to find something people are genuinely asking right now. Not how to use AI, that's too broad. Specific. How do I make AI content sound like me? Specific questions have specific audiences. Step 2. Build your angle. What's your take? What does most content on this topic get wrong? Feed your topic into ChatGPT and ask it to argue against the obvious answer. You now have tension, and tension is what makes content worth reading. Step 3. Structure before you write. Open Notion AI or even a blank page. Write 5 headers. Under each header, write 2 bullet points. You now have a 10-point outline. That's your whole script. Don't skip this. Step 4. Write the first draft in under 20 minutes. Don't edit, don't polish. Get the ideas out of your head and into text. AI can help here, but use it for single sentences, not paragraphs. You want your thinking in there, not its. Step 5. Add your voice layer. Go through the draft and ask, would I actually say this? If not, rewrite it in 1 sentence. Then paste the clean text into 11 Labs, choose Atom, and generate your voiceover. That's it. That's the whole content workflow. Now, how do you make money from this? Path 1. YouTube AdSense. Long-form content, consistent output, patience. This channel is on that path right now. It takes time, but every video you publish is a permanent asset. Path 2. Affiliate links. Every tool you recommend, every software you use, there's almost certainly an affiliate program behind it. 11 Labs pays recurring commissions. My link is in the description. 1 referred subscriber pays me every month they stay. Path 3. Digital products. Take your best performing content and turn it into a PDF, a template, or a prompt pack. Sell it on Gumroad for £5 to £25. 0 production cost. Sells indefinitely. Path 4. Service arbitrage. Use AI to do the work. Charge human rate prices. Content writing, voiceover production, social media management. All of this can be done with the stack I just showed you in a fraction of the time it used to take. The formula is simple: real question, clear angle, structured output, your voice on it, a monetization layer underneath. That's the whole system. If you want to try 11 Labs, the voice tool I use on this channel, the link is in the description. You can start free. Wednesday's video, 5 AI tools that pay you passively. Most people have never heard of 3 of them. Subscribe so you don't miss it. I'll see you Wednesday.